Hello everyone, welcome to Management Study, and today we are going to discuss unit number 5, which is media planning and budgeting. We have completed 4 units in the subject of advertising. Advertising is a sub-subject of marketing and it is a very important subject to learn. So in media planning and budgeting, first we will going to discuss about the media plan. Okay, how we will be how we will be going to determine the media plan. Okay, so media planning is the process of deciding how, where, and when to deliver advertising messages to the target audience in the most effective and efficient way. So in this, we have to do a plan and we decide that at what time or to which type of customers we should deliver our media message. We also determined about the channel and all the costing stuff in this chapter. So here are the steps of deciding or designing a media plan. First, you will have to analyze the target audience based on the demographics, like their age, what is their gender, male or female, psychographics, like what is the lifestyle of your consumer, what is the income level of consumer, is your consumer a professional or a normal person? And then you have to decide the media habits of your consumer. Then, after analyzing the target audience, you have to set media objectives, like what is your desired reach, frequency, and at what timing you want to deliver your message to your consumer. After that, you have to select media mix. And media mix is the channel of delivery of your message. Okay. It can be a TV. You can deliver your advertisement through TV, through radio, through print and digital and outdoor, etc. Then you have to allocate budget across media channels. Like based on cost effectiveness and campaign goals, you have to allocate separate budget to each of the media channels. Then we have to also develop the media schedule, like whether you want to post continuous on a continuous basis, whether on a flighting basis or pulsing basis. Okay. And in the last one, which is evaluate and adjust. So you have to monitor your performance and make changes if required. Okay. Then second one is media decisions. So media decisions are the decisions that we are going to take while implementing our advertising, okay, or implementing our advertising goals. So there are two key levels of media decision. First is media class decision, in which choosing between the types like or choosing the channel like TV, digital, newspaper, and etc. And the media vehicle decision includes choosing specific platform in that channel. So if you choose newspaper, then you will probably choose Times of India to deliver your message. If you choose digital, then you choose Instagram ads. And if you choose TV, then you will choose the uh, channel, which is Star Plus, which is a very famous channel. So media decision includes these two levels of media decision. First is media class decision. What class of media are you going to use? And the second one is media vehicle decision, on which type of vehicle you are going to deliver your message. Then key consideration. So you have to consider the following things, like what is the reach and frequency of that media channel or media vehicle? What is the CPM, which is cost per thousand of that channel? Because in advertising, uh, cost incur on the basis of minute and seconds. So if you want to advertise your product on a TV serial or let's say on a TV channel, then the cost is counted on basis of minutes. That if it is a 1 minute video, then there is a certain amount of money that you have to pay to run that video on the TV channel. So that is cost per thousand. Then audience profile match. If you want to target females, then and then Star Plus is a good option for you. But if you're targeting males, so males are generally not watching any type of series. So Star Plus is not the platform or the right platform to target male audience. Okay, so you have to also do the profile match. and the content compatibility, which is uh, uh, which means that your content should be strong enough to deliver your message. So here are the media types, their advantages and disadvantages. We will see it one by one. First is television. So in television, you get a high reach, you get a strong visual impact and credibility, but it is expensive and it has a very short exposure time because TV ads are very short. They they are for just like seconds and for a minute. Okay. Then radio. So for local targeting, low cost frequency, it is good, but it is audio only. And sometimes due to network issue, there is a lot of clutter in audio as well. Then newspapers. So newspapers are credible, it's flexible in ad sizes, but it has a very short lifespan, declining readership nowadays. Then magazines are high quality visuals, long shelf life, but long lead time and less flexibility because very few people read magazine. Then outdoor billboards, which have high visibility, location targeting, but limited message space. Then digital and online content, which has a precise targeting and it is measurable, but there are ad blockers, short span. Then the social media, in which you get engagement, you get shareability, but it can be ignored easily. And in the cinema, you have captive audience, but limited reach. So these are the media types, their advantages and disadvantages. Now we are going to study about reach, frequency, and impact of our media. So what is reach? So reach is basically the percent of target audience exposed to the ad at least once during a specific time period. So let's say if our ad is a 1 minute ad, and in that 1 minute, we have to measure that how many consumers see that ad in that 1 minute. So that is reach. Then frequency, average number of times an individual is exposed to the ad. Suppose our ad runs on a TV channel for 6 times a day. So that is called the frequency of our advertisement. That on an average, a person can watch our ad 6 times in a day from a TV. And then impact, which is qualitative value of exposure like emotional appeal and brand recall. Now, factors influencing choice of media. So what are the factors that will influence us while we are choosing our media? So first is target audience characteristics, which is demographic characteristics like age, income, location, and habits. Then nature of product, which is a consumer good, industrial product or luxury item. Then advertising objective. What is the objective of our advertising? Should it be a awareness? Should it be a persuasion or a reminder? Then message type and complexity, budget availability. Do we have a proper budget or enough budget to run this advertisement or doing this stuff? Then media reach and cost efficiency. Okay, is this media reachable or cost efficient? Then competitor media strategy, that is also important. And then time and geographic consideration that we have to uh, look into. Then last one is methods of setting advertising budget. So whenever you want to set an advertising budget for your product or service, here are the method that you can also use. So first is affordable method. So in affordable method, spend what you can afford after other expenses. Then percentage of sales method. That means fixed percentage of current or forecasted sales. Then competitive parity method, which includes match competitor spending what your competitor is spending, you will copy that. Then objective and task method, in which you will define objective, you will list task, and according to the task, you will estimate the cost. Then market share method means spend in proportion to desired market share. And the last one is the ROI method, which is based on a expected return from advertising. So thank you for attending this lecture. And with this, we are completing our unit number 5, which is media budgeting and planning. Okay.